The eufy L60 Hybrid Robot Vacuum is a cutting-edge device that features hair detangling technology, which eliminates the need for manual hair removal from the roller brush, making it a hassle-free cleaning solution. This vacuum boasts an impressive hands-free cleaning capability that lasts up to 60 days, thanks to its 17,000 Pascal suction power that effectively draws dust and debris into a 2.5-liter dust bag in the self-empty station. With its ultra-strong 5,000 Pascal suction power, the eufy L60 Hybrid Robot Vacuum ensures that hair, crumbs, and dust are removed in just one pass, resulting in cleaner floors. The vacuum utilizes iPath laser navigation, an advanced Lidar technology to scan rooms and create accurate maps for efficient cleaning routes around your home. It also offers Customizable AI.Map 2.0, allowing you to use the app to select specific rooms to clean, set up no-go zones, and use multi-floor mapping for homes with more than one floor. The mop pad attachment can be used to gently wipe hard floors to remove fine dirt, and you can even select the ideal water flow level through the app.